Now in this question, three circles of radii touch each other externally but do not cross each other. Two circles x and y are drawn such that both touch each of the three previous circles but do not cross each other. If the radius of x is more than the radius of y, then the ratio of the radii of x and y is the question. Now let me take the three circles inside the smaller circle as these three, and centers of these three I am going to take it like this. So drawing from the details that is inferred in the questions, the figure is going to look like this. Now if I join the centers of these three circles, now this will be the radius. I am going to take the radius as a, so this will also become a, this will be a, this will be a, this will be a, and this will be a. And I am to find the radius of the larger circle. I am going to take this as the larger circle and the inside circle as the smaller circle y. And I am going to take the center of the circle y as G. If this is G, now I am going to take this triangle ABC, and ABC is what type of triangle? An equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle, because all sides are equal. And in an equilateral triangle AG, let me draw a median first. I am going to take it as AO, where AG by property, the point of concurrence of the median will divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So there is 2/3 of height, which is AO. Now AO is nothing but height of an equilateral triangle, which is given by the formula √3/2 into side. So AO is equal to √3/2 times of side, which is 2a, which is √3a. So that makes AG to be 2/3 of √3a, which will give me 2a/√3. Now I have to find the radius of x and y and ratio between these two radii. Now from point P to point G is the radius of the larger circle, that is PG. And let me take this as Q, this point Q. So QG will be the radius of the smaller circle. Now what is PG? AG plus the radius of the circle, three circles, this circle, and this is going to be AG minus R, because x radii must be greater than the radius of y circle. So AG is what? 2a/√3 plus radius is a. This is going to be 2a/√3 minus a, which is going to give me a 2 plus √3/√3 is to 2 minus √3/√3. So the answer is 2 plus √3 is to 2 minus √3, but none of the options says this, so I am going to rationalize this. A 2 plus √3 divided by 2 minus √3, multiplying with the conjugate, I get 2 plus √3 divided by 2 plus √3. This is going to be a 2 plus √3 the whole square in the numerator, denominator a square minus b square, which will give me a 4 plus 3 plus a 4 √3 in the numerator divided by 4 minus 3 in the denominator. So which will be 7 plus 4 √3 by 1. So the required answer is 7 plus 4 √3 is to 1. Option B is the answer for this question.